Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be going over some more Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box spoilers for 2023. More specifically, we're going to go over what someone got in their deluxe box. So this is actually an unboxing from YouTube that I'm going to be sharing with you guys and just giving you my thoughts and opinions on the items as we go along. So this is Audrey Loves Makeup, and I highly recommend going down to the description box below and watching her unboxing so you can just see her pull everything out and see the colors. I'm just going to show you a quick screen grab, so if you want to see the colors of things, definitely go click on her video. So thank you so much for posting your unboxing so we can, for science, see what's coming in the boxes and see if it's worth your money, which I will give my opinions on near the end of the video, if it's worth your money or not. I also have Supreme spoilers up if you would like to see. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And subscribe for Timber, the bunny, who's just so sweet. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to remind everyone how much this box was and what the value is supposed to be. So this is a $70 box. So just imagine you're paying $70 and these are all the items that you're getting. The total value is $283. It's supposed to contain 13 items, 4 in which are new, which he did put an Instagram little video up saying that they were like exclusive. Also, so I'm not sure if it's going to be like new or if it's like new and exclusive, you know, so I don't know if these are going to be on the website or anything like that. He didn't really specify, which is probably good on his part since a lot of the things that were exclusive only are now on the website, so it makes sense. So anyways, first item coming in the box is the Weirdo palette, which if you're someone who bought a bunch of Halloween mystery treats last year, you might still have 10 of these in your possession. So just note that this palette is coming in there. It makes sense. It's a darker color story, so it's perfect for Halloween. We also have a new item. We have some Jeffree Star socks, which are actually kind of cool. They're black and red. They definitely match the Weirdo palette. And I mean, who can say no to getting more socks? Because socks are great. Especially his like longer tube socks. They're really cute. So love that. Definitely a winner in my book. This next item is actually so flipping cool. I think a lot of you are going to die when you see this. So this is actually a bloody meat cleaver like wallet slash coin purse. You know, you could put your credit cards in there. It's a wristlet and it's a meat cleaver and there's blood on it, and this is literally so cute. When I saw her pull this out, I was like stunned. I'd never expected this. I know he did like a bat bag in the past, and now he came out with like a red one that's really big and it's on his website for sale. Honestly though, this is super cute, and I really hope that he puts this on the website for everyone to buy and in different color swatches. Kind of like the meat cleaver mirror that's black with the green. That's super cool. So if he did that in like a coin purse, credit card holder type situation, I think it would sell out. It's pretty cool. So yeah, anyways, next up we got a bunch of single shadows. I would tell you the names of all of them, but apparently I'm not good at screenshotting. So we have one, we have another one in Wyoming, we have another one in, I think, sugarcane or sugar cavity. I did not screenshot these very well. We have another one in cherry soda and winter wind. And then we also have one in the shade, let me look back, Chameleon Fetish. So that's what we have for single shadows. I know you guys are like over single shadows, but you know, here they are. Then we have an eye gloss, and this is in Crystal Joy. So this is going to be a beautiful white shade, so love that. And then another eye gloss, and this is in the shade Black Onyx, and if you can't guess, it is black, which again, on theme for Halloween, not knocking it, definitely impressed. We also get a Jeffree Star approved mascara. So this is not the first version of mascara, this is the second version, and it's just in black. So perfect for everyone. And then we also got a velour velvet, no, it's just a velvet trap in the shade Grave Digger. So this is just a gray color. I don't really pull that off. It makes me look sickly because I've had his gray ones in the past, so not for me. But if you're into that, it's in here, which of course shade is gonna vary. The shades will vary, but anyways, so then we have some mini. We have some mini ones. I thought these were full size, but these are actually mini. So we have the shade Spooky Makeover. We also have the shade Wrong Turn. And then we have the shade Pricked Me, or Bricked Up, which that one's a free shade. So that comes free with your purchase of a Halloween item or a Gothic Beach item. So that one is actually just a free item, so technically you get 14 if you buy a mystery box. And then we have 3 liquid lips. We have it in the shade Leo, Red Rum, and Deceased. And then we have the... oh wait, that's it. That's everything. So if you don't want any of the big box spoilers, then don't listen, the Supreme. But I do want to say that I wasn't sure if a skincare item came in the box or not, or if it was a mystery treat, because she also got mystery treats. I can confirm-ish that she also got a Supreme box, and the 2 things that she got in there that were bigger items was Cremated and the Cavity Highlighter Palette. She did not get a skincare item, so I'm going to say that the skincare item was definitely a $6 mystery treat. So, I would have to say, honestly, for $70, you're getting a good bit of items, and I really just love that meat cleaver purse, little coin purse, credit card holder, if you will. I feel like that's super cool, and if you're like into that stuff, I feel like just buying the box for that is cool, because then you get all these really amazing products. But I mean, a lot of people are going to be like, socks, really? And I understand that, but I think they're cool. The Weirdo palette is so overdone, kind of like Jawbreaker. But it's, you know, it's on theme, so I'm not hating. The Single Shadows, though, I'm so overseeing, and I know you are as well, because if you own the palettes, why have a single? And the fact that there's 2 eyeglosses, I'm just like, we could have put a liquid eyeshadow in here, but I'm not knocking it either, because, you know, I heard his eyeglosses are amazing. And then a mascara, that's everybody friendly, and then the rest are liquid lips. So we don't have any highlighters in here, which is a little sad considering the Supreme box. And I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Are you planning on picking any of these mystery boxes up? Are you planning on getting a mystery treat? Let a gal know down below. I know for science, you guys don't buy these boxes until you see my spoilers. So the decision is basically up to you. But if I had to choose, these are actually like some of the best mystery boxes because there is a variety of products, but this box is definitely lacking, and if you were to pick up a mystery box, I would go with the Supreme box because much more variety of products, and I prefer that one more, honestly. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!